how the lights shine, but I knew that no one else was home. Look the night, kinda check the camera on, I'm all alone. Feel the bottle pop, spew it out the opening in the mouth. I'm a cyclops when it comes to seeing no one else. Okay. I feel my ears pop when I take a lift up to the spot. You know, fun scene, shipping on each ancient rolling pot. I'm a punching, even when I'm geeked, I'm on the clock like a pumpkin. I'm lit up in my body, start to rot. I'm an asshole, okay? Well, I know so you can leave. What's the point? No, I ain't coming to the function if you cheat. I'm in street clothes, but my guys ain't massive, they don't ski. I don't need throat, I just need a girl who's proud of me, okay? Yeah, I will not you in 6, I won't come in this medication, but my there's no reason I would hit. I've been working on my wealth, please don't hit me up to help. It's a hard way I learned, now I keep it to myself. Feel like tails again, man, I cringe at marketing. Who the f gon' tell me to post it when you in a cardigan? I'm on tour and popping 30 minutes to feel my brain. I might be myself right now, but it's gon' cause a ton of pain. I know what you done, it's okay, though I can face you tonight. I'm an asshole, okay? Well, I know so you can leave. What's the point? No, I ain't coming to the function if you cheese. I'm in street clothes, but my guys ain't massive, they don't ski. I don't need throat, I just need a girl who's proud of me, okay? Way too many people, bro. Way too many people in this beat, boy. What the fuck is that talking about? Eric, look at me.
Can't be there every night. The rain will put you to sleep when curses cloud up your mind. Remember, just think of me. I missed your skin touching mine.